Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and today I want to discuss, as you can see from the title, how you can transfer your IRA account including Roth IRA to take advantage of the cash match that Robinhood is offering now. However, before doing so, you'll have to keep certain things in mind, so that's also I'm gonna discuss in this video, and also I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how I did and what are the things that I faced while doing so, and things that you have to keep in mind. So if you are interested in all that, then please stick around, and with that, let's start. Okay, so I'm in my Robinhood app, and the first thing that you have to do is you click on that middle icon that you see, and that will put you into the all the investment related portfolio including Roth IRA. So once you have that open, I'm just showing this you with Roth IRA, but the same steps are applicable if you want to transfer from, let's say, from your 401k or other traditional IRA accounts into Robinhood, right? So the same steps apply. Once you are in here, you click on the transfer, and then basically this screen pops up, which tells you the things that basically the advantages that you get while when transferring it. So you can read through it. The advantage is the 3% no cap that they are offering. However, this is only till October 27th. So if you have you may not have much time when I post this video, but I am sure this offer is gonna come back again. I'm expecting maybe in over Thanksgiving they're gonna offer the same thing again, so you can definitely take advantage of this, because it's 3% is if you, let's say, if you have a $10,000 IRA account, right, and if you transfer in, you're gonna get $300 for free, right? So once you are here, you just read through it, you say continue from here, and then once you are in this screen, what you're gonna see is the different options, which says like either you transfer in IRA or you roll over 401k, which I mentioned, right, and start an indirect rollover. In most cases, I think the first option is what I'm going through, and that's the most typical option that you would select here. So once you select that, transfer IRA assets in, then the next screen that pops up is just about what are the bonuses that they are offering this week, right, which is fine. You just click continue from there, and then this is the screen that's again giving you all the types of account that you can transfer in, and also it shows that they are going to reimburse $75 if you are transferring more than 7,500 on any transfer fee that your other brokerage will charge you, right? So be aware of that, those charges, because Robinhood is gonna cover only up to $75. So definitely do check how much the other brokerage is charging, so that you can do your calculation, right? So once you review that, you click continue from there, and it's just showing like that you can basically this is gonna take 5 to 7 business days is what it's just saying. So if you transfer in, let's say, today, it may take up to 7 days before your all the either the ETFs that you have, or if you have cash in the IRA account, all coming to this, it might take up to 7 days. Once you are from there, you just click get started. So now it shows you the options, right? It's basically either individual or Roth IRA. So in this case, you would select Roth IRA. Okay, so this is an important screen, right? So here it's basically they have automated most of the things. So it shows most of the brokerages that usually have these retirement accounts. So I had my account in Fidelity, which I'm transferring from Fidelity. So before I did that, this pop-up came to complete my profile. So this, if this comes up for you too, then you can just follow the prompt. You say complete my profile here, and they're gonna ask like a basic questions about your income and your like a investment strategy related. So in this case you can go with like to be on the safer side, just go with like medium risk, medium potential return. That's the middle ground. You do not want to put definitely on the higher risk. Lower risk is fine, but don't go on the higher risk side. I don't know what would be the consequences, but just stay with a kind of a medium risk, right? On the in this screen too, just select balance, preserving this money with growing it. That's the kind of again middle ground that you are giving. Once you're done with that, the next screen they ask when do you plan to retire. So I'm just I just gave 67 here, and you can give whatever you want. I think more than 65 is better. So that's all on the investor profile, and then it comes back to this screen. On this screen, since I told I am transferring from Fidelity, so I just selected Fidelity here, and then it's basically it connected it's gonna connect to my Fidelity account, and this is they're using the Plaid to connect. So this is all part of the connection, so I'm not gonna go through all this process. It's just basically connecting the Fidelity account to Robinhood. So once connected, uh, in on the Fidelity side there were some things that they had to agree on. It's all online, so you don't have to go out of Robinhood. You just do everything inside the app itself. So if you have multiple accounts on the other brokerage, you can select what you want to choose there. So once that connection part is done, it's part of that Plaid is their third party, which basically connects between two brokerages, right? So once you connected that, then the final screen that you would see here is they will match your name along with that, and then they will show you a screen which will be similar to this, right, which says that your account is eligible for a full transfer. So if you see this, then you are good to go. We just have to say continue with full transfer. So once you click on continue with full transfer, it will ask you to review some terms and condition. You just read through it, agree and accept, and that would be it. That's it. And then they're gonna say that your transfer is in progress and it's in review. You are gonna get an email in like 5 to 7 business days. You should see the account come, like the whole either stocks, ETFs or money, whatever it is. This is gonna come transfer into Robinhood. So that was the transfer process, guys. There were certain things that I wanted to discuss that you should keep in mind before you do so. The first thing is the tax consequences. So I had this question about, because I have a good amount in the Roth IRA and I wanted to transfer that, so I had this question whether any tax event would be triggered, right? So just so you know, the when you transfer between IRA accounts, when you're transferring in, there are no tax consequences, so you do not pay any taxes if you're transferring from one brokerage to other, right? Okay. The second thing is, which I touched upon briefly, was about any fees associated with this transfer, right? So as I mentioned, there are some brokerages who do charge a transfer fee. So in my case, Fidelity does not charge any transfer fee. I had to call them and actually check, because I did not find that information online. So if you're not finding it online, do call your brokerage firm, and then they will tell you whether there is any transfer fee associated, right? So Robinhood, as I mentioned, is gonna reimburse you $75 up to $75 if you're transferring in more than 7,500, right? So that's the money that they're gonna cover, but beyond that they are not gonna cover, right? So you should keep that in mind before you take this decision, right? So that was it, guys, for this video, and it is definitely a very good offer that they are giving, 3% offer, and this is gonna be coming again, I'm pretty sure, but you should definitely take advantage of this. This is free money, guys, so you should take advantage of this. If you have any questions related to this transfer or how my transfer went, because right now I'm just waiting, so I will maybe post another video once I have that money in my account. But everything was pretty smooth, the transfer process was very streamlined, so you guys should take advantage of this until this offer is valid, guys. So that was it, guys, for this video. I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing, guys. Bye bye.